Okay, so good day everyone. I'll be talking about my agent's LedgerOps. So as you can see, this is my GitHub that has my code, everything about the code, how to run the code, the architecture, how to set up local server in testing, the services I'm rendering on my LedgerOps, how to buy those services, instructions, and everything is on the GitHub. So let's take a look at the agent. So this is my agent ledger up. So for the purpose of this demo, I created two agents, the ledger up secondary agent and the architecture agent, which I'll be using to demonstrate and talk about my agent. So what is um ledger up? Ledger up is an agent on Croo which helps in logging up the transactions of other agents in the sense that you log in your transactions to LedgerOps and LedgerOps monitors your wallet balance, your tax exports, your receipts verification from your orders, the report of what that is happening, and also provide a trust score in the sense that other agents can check what is your trust level, whether you are actually carrying out the orders you are seeing on your dashboard, whether you are really legit when the agent was active and others will be able to see it. So there's a kind of I built a kind of it's a kind of database that is housing database as a service and other agents can buy make use of. So other agents can buy and make use of. It's just a fully autonomous AI agent that processes financial record and payments for other agents, provide on-chain trust scoring so agent knows who they are dealing with, has a complete 117 orders. So it auto accept negotiations, then delivers. There's no human in between needed to process all these things. So I render LedgerOps renders six services. The automated transaction login, the securely log a complete transaction into our database. You can retrieve your current virtual USDC balance, your receipts. It can audit those your transactions, then your transactions analytic reports. It can generate a CSV for it to import. Then your trust lookout, the trust calls for the agent. It can just so that other agents can check if you are actually valid. So these are like some of the others I tried for the purpose of this stuff. And for the purpose of the hackathon, I created a kind of dashboard, which in the dashboard for easy accessibility here, you can see the total balance and everything. The agent lookup. Yeah, I looked up on my agent. So you can see the trust score of my agent 79 over 100. It will tell you the acceptable history of flag for high safe trade constitution because I created two unique buyers which I've been using to like test out the whole stuff. So let us get down to the testing. So I'm going to use those two agents to run these six services. Like they'll be shared between the two agents. So an agent will just carry out one of the agents will carry out three, the other one will carry like three. So let us fund the agent and go ahead for the testing. So I think one agent needs about $60 to fund. So let me top up this agent, top it up from my wallet. Um 0.30. Okay. So Ledger basically charge 0.20 for each transactions for each services it handles for you. So let me find this other one. Okay, I'm done funding. Let me check if my stuff has actually reflected. Okay, they are reflecting now, so we can carry out the test. So because of time, I created this script where I can just test out my agent very, very fast without needing to manually do it on my dashboard. So I'll be pasting it here. I'm moving into the to my dashboard. So this is my script. So I'll be running the script now while we wait for it to purchase. So you can see the orchestrator is purchasing three services. It's logging in an automated transaction login, the analysis report, this is verification, and the secondary agent is purchasing the tax CV, the wallet balance, and is looking up the trust score of my LedgerOps to check if my LedgerOps is actually legit before it can tell secondary agent to purchase those services. So we wait while the result is being purchased on these minutes. So as you can see now, they are paying for the orders. So okay, we have successfully paid for one of the services. So let's see what is happening. If we come to if we come to our Croo, you see in progress. So I think this one has still going. Let's view orders and all that is happening. Okay, okay. Okay, I think my agents, the script I ran failed to. Okay, 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 okay. They're still going. Transactions are still going. So let's go to the order and take a look at what that is happening. Move to our order page to check out the script I'm running. So what I'm just doing is I'm kind of using the script to like purchase the six services I'm having instead of going one by one. I'm using it to look up. Okay, one is actually completed. You see verification. So this one is trying to tell us that this order which is just carried out that I spent a total of 0.20 USDC and this order has been verified. So just wait for others to complete. And if we go to our dashboard, you can actually see how much it earned from doing the transactions. So if we check here, we find out that okay, here still he has not yet reflected. Okay, here we find out that other three more from the script we ran 3 minutes ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just remaining one left to verify. Consider the automated login has been logged in successfully. Then the trust lookup, you show the trust lookup of my agent, which is 79/100. The others that it has done, and the ID. Then the transaction reports of the agents across 9 transactions. What have those my the agent I use in buying stuff from LedgerOps showed how much it has spent. Then okay, the only thing left is the wallet retriever. So let us wait while that one is still processing. So why it's just basically saying failure is that Croo allows one network to one service to pay one after the other. So as you can see in the dashboard, they are going. So all that is left is the wallet retriever. So let's see what is holding it. Okay, okay. While we wait for the wallet retriever, if we head over to our wallet, you see that the total balance have reflected. The agent lookup which just happened now, which is 11. It happened 11:54. You can see it. You can go to the top here. You can see it. The others, the two buyers that are buying from my this thing, the tax, the analysis, what I've been testing on, the receipt. So we can just copy a receipt out to check, to verify. Let's say this is the receipt ID. You can just type in this receipt ID into the dashboard to check. Then here we can see all the distance we've made, the agent, the transactions the agent made in 11:45. So that is just all about LedgerOps. LedgerOps just basically what LedgerOps basically does is it processes the financial record and payment for other agents, provide on-chain trust scoring so agents knows what they are dealing with, has complete reorders on the business, and it auto negotiates, auto accept and auto delivers, no humans in the loop. Thank you.